Hey there, friends. Meteorologist Shane Smith here with you. It is Monday, April 17th, 2023, and I'm glad you can join us for this latest edition of the Bluegrass Weather Report. We've got a chilly night on tap across the Commonwealth. We are seeing dry conditions and clear skies right now as we take a look at radar Omega. A little bit of a storm system passing by to our north, bringing showers and snow to the Great Lakes region. But you can see not really much going on out in the western U.S. A few showers over Texas and New Mexico. A little cold front and low pressure rolling in off the Pacific Northwest. But most of the country today, besides the Great Lakes and New England, are nice and dry. And for the majority of the week here in the Bluegrass, we are looking at dry weather as high pressure remains in control. However, tonight, central Kentucky, you've got the potential of a little bit of frost. Frost advisory out for pretty much Lexington and points to the north. A few of those counties south of Lexington, over including Madison and Garrett County, also included in that frost advisory, as we have the potential of seeing temperatures dropping down into the mid-30s in central and northern Kentucky tonight, and that could cause a little bit of frost. So for you green thumbs, a good night to bring the plants in. In fact, here's a look at some of those overnight lows from the HRRR model tonight. You can see 36 Lexington, over towards Moorhead around 35, back up towards Florence 33. So definitely the closer you get up to the Ohio River, the cooler those temperatures are going to be. But the overall forecast pattern remaining dry. High pressure takes hold to our south and keeps us mainly dry all the way up until about Thursday. We might have an outside shot of a pop-up storm Wednesday, but it's very, very small chance. We're going to call it less than 10%. But our next storm system will organize on Friday and move into western Kentucky. Notice a potent cold front rolling in according to the European forecast model, and then slowly another area of low pressure develops on the southern end of that front and then crosses the state on Saturday. That'll bring us a heavy rain threat, maybe even the chance of a strong storm or two in southern Kentucky as colder air then shoots in behind it. Notice that trough tilts negative, and all that cold air from Canada starts funneling into the bluegrass. That may even lead to a little bit of wintry mix Sunday or Monday. That's something we're going to have to keep a close eye on. That is a very strong trough for this time of year. That could also bring some heavy rain. We're talking rainfall totals this weekend, 1 to 2 inches. With certain isolated spots seeing potentially more than that. You notice the heaviest axis running from Cincinnati to Louisville, back towards Bowling Green, and then eventually down towards Memphis, Tennessee, as that front kind of stalls out and then slowly progresses as that secondary area of low pressure develops. So overall, the forecast pattern looking calm this week. We have several days of drier weather heading our way. In fact, let's check out the temperatures on the long-range version of the GFS model, and you can see it is looking oh so nice later in the week. 60s tomorrow, upper 70s to near 80 Wednesday and Thursday, and then we cool things down quite a bit Saturday into Sunday, and some of the modeling may even come in colder than that, especially if the European ends up being a little bit closer to what actually happens. So that is something we will monitor very, very closely. But overall, nice weather in the next couple of days. Just bring those plants in tonight in northern Kentucky, and then enjoy the sunshine Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. That next chance of storms rolls in on Friday. So there you have it. We probably won't have another big update until later in the week, either Thursday or Friday. Most likely I may post a little weather short over the next day or two. We'll see. But let us know what you want to see here on the channel. If there's something in particular you'd like to see me cover, or maybe talk about some weather topics outside of the daily forecast. I'm cooking up some ideas for some new videos. And as always, if you like what we're doing here at the Bluegrass Weather Report, hit that like button and the subscribe button. It really helps us out and helps keep things going around here. So until next time, my friends, thank you for stopping by. Take care and stay weather aware.